Welcome to day 10 of Waxvent, guys. We're into double figures now, so we're getting through Waxvent pretty quickly now. We're kind of over half, not over halfway. We're over a third of the way. We're not quite halfway yet. So we can see now we've got this very, very soft wax. It's actually my patient. Sorry, I forgot to say that at the beginning. But this very, very soft wax here at the entrance, and we're working our way down.
Sorry, mate, I just got really distracted by your super cool flashy mug you've got in the corner there.
Yeah, I've got to drink a lot more. I've been told, and so I've got this bottle that flashes at me when I don't drink, and it's flashing at me. It flashes at me in the corner if I'm going to my drink. It's out by tea, shouldn't I? Really? So it's coming away really well, but you can see that this is almost like lots of little bits of skin. It's all stuck around the outside edge of the canal. It's just not. It's not really it's not really a wax plug, but it's just messy, lots of little teeny weeny bits. But looking a lot better. But look at it on this side, very soft here as well. You can see the eardrum beyond, but all the entrance to the canal here is really soft, and the canal entrance is kind of just tilted and flattened.
Kind of going up as well.
Yeah, and the canal kind of goes up towards the eardrum then. But similar on this side, it's mostly skin here at the entrance. Look how it peels away in those kind of soft, tiny bits.
Narrow as well.
Yeah, it is.
Did you say that already?
No, yeah, I said this. Yeah, I always like that.
Sorry.
But that's all right. You are just coming away nicely. You can see that little bit of, always difficult, these little ones here, because you've got to work really close to the canal wall. You don't want to touch the ear canal, but you want to try and get some of this off.
Normally you kind of see, when there's a bit of inflammation, you usually see like a little bit of swelling in the ear as well.
Yeah.
Which is, not so bad when you're taking wax off the ear canal. We always still try to avoid it, but there's usually a little bit of give in there with, when there's a slight bit of swelling. You are able to take a little bit more away.
Yeah. I switched down to a fine end just to get these couple little bits out. There we go. And this piece as well. Here we are, look at that coming away.
Super messy though, isn't it?
It is. That entrance, it really was. No ruler shot now, guys, because everything got sucked up inside the suction tubes as well, so nothing to put on the paper at the end. But there we are, guys, so that's day 10 of Waxvent done. We shall see you again tomorrow for day 11. Members, you're going to get your video tonight as well. Don't panic, that is coming, I promise. And as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another, and we shall see you again real soon. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.